Hi everybody, this is Mike from Capture. If you're a Menards store vendor, I'm going to show you how to create, assign, and complete a work order on the mobile app. You're looking at the screen, or the home screen of the mobile app right now, and each one of those circles represents a property. I'm going to go ahead and select the Menards test as the property that I'm currently working at for contracted services. I'm going to go ahead and select billable work order. When I select billable work order, it's going to give me an option to choose store property contract services. When I select that, I'll see a list of the store, picture inventory of the store property contract services that I'll be performing at that property. So I'm going to first select mow and trim per occurrence because that's what I did while I was on the property. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tap the map once. Then I'm going to go back to the hammer and wrench toolbox. I'm going to go back to store property services, and I'm going to say we also did a weed control application. So I'll tap that, and I'll tap the liquid weed control application, and I'll tap it right there. I could change my quantity on the right-hand side to 2 if I need to. Okay. And then the last step for me, if those are the only 2 services contract services that I conducted, I can go back into the toolbox. I'm going to go back to store property contract services, and I'm going to select finalize billable work order. It's one of the steps that's necessary. So go ahead and tap anywhere on the map after you select that. The next step is to open the shopping cart in the top middle. When you open the shopping cart on the top middle of the page, you can scroll down, and you'll see that you're going to have to assign the final item that you selected, the billable work order, to be able to keep the work order in process. I'm going to go ahead and select the arrow, and I'm going to assign it. So I'm going to assign it to myself. I hit that little green plus, and it's going to pull a list of people in my organization that I can assign it to. From the drop-down menu, I'm going to select Mike's new tablet, and then I'm going to hit the green save button on the top right. When I select the green save button, you can now see in the cart that this was assigned to me, and it's going to automatically assign the others to me as well. So I'm going to go ahead and raise my shopping cart and hit the thumbs up on the bottom right, and that will complete the assignment part of the work order. The next step after it's assigned to me while I'm on property is to complete the actual work order. So I'm going to actually go back to the home screen by pressing the 3 bars on the top left. When I go back to the home screen and I cross the geofence, so if I'm on the property, I'm going to also receive an alert that tells me a notification for the work order that I just created. So I basically created the work order, I assigned it to myself, and now I'm going to complete it because I assigned it to myself. So I'm going to click on the Start Now button to easily complete the work order. When I hit the Start Now, it's going to open up the items, the exact same items that I said I did. Okay, and they're all here. To complete the work order, all you need is to select the thumbs up on the very bottom item, which is Finalize Billable Work Orders. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the thumbs up. Okay, it's going to take me to a camera. I could take a photo, and I could add multiple photos at this point. Add up 5 photos if you need to. I'm going to add 1, and then I'm going to hit the happy face on the bottom right. See the smiley face? After I select the smiley face, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tap complete the work order item. So my images are being optimized, and this may happen if you have high resolution images or multiple images. I'll click OK, and then I'll go back and I'll complete the work order item, and it's going ahead and complete that. So those are the steps for creating, assigning, and completing a work order if you're a Menards vendor on a property. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@capture.com. Thank you very much.